the way up the cliff. Holy crap. Holy, oh. I know you guys don't see it in this super wide view at all. Oh, holy shit. Holy shit. I hope this trail keeps going. Oh, that's do or die right there. Holy shit. Oh. This is do or die, dude.
Yeah, fair enough.
Let's keep her going safe. Clutch. Oh shit. Uh-oh. Oh no, dude. Oh no. This is not what we want. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
I hit my handlebars in between there.
Alright, let me turn my music off. I gotta take my helmet off. This is gonna be tricky. Shit. This is gonna be tricky. Well, should I get the tow rope? Yeah. I think it's in the bottom. Because see, this is why you carry everything.
I was like slow motion, and it hit, and then it went.
Oh no.
I just jumped off.
Okay. I'll come back to you. DirtbikeSurivorman and Travis down the hill. Woo! On a skinny trail, guys. Yeah. I just stopped and told Travis do or die. And he threw it down the mountain, hit his bark buster on this tree right here. Tugger toe strap here. I got a giant loop one as well. All right, let's get her done. Let's get her done. Oh yeah. So I got a clip for my bike on the instructions. Okay, it's a nice little nylon guy here. Looks like I've never used it before. It's a little, okay, they got a little wrapped around themselves. Okay, here, bud. It's gonna hurt my hand. This rope doesn't have a hand holder. Unless I take the loop side in my hand, it'll be better. Give me the loop back somehow. Okay.
I'm gonna have to get the front and then the back. Front, back.
Okay, front, back. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3. Holy shit. This is gonna be interesting. We can't go down. Okay, let me get a foot. Next foot. Okay. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. If I hold the front.
I gotta get the back. Fucking stuck in the foot.
Above what are you trying to get above?
These.
Roots?
Yeah, I gotta get the foot head above them. It's catching it.
Oh, I see. Unless I take the saw, but that might be harder. Should I come? I don't know. I just can't lift from the back. This is better if pulling. It's totally caught on the fucking something. Once we're hooked on those damn branches.
I'm just gonna get your saw. Cut them off.
Yeah, if we turn it around, we should go. Let me look what's coming up here too. Holy shit, dude. all the way down there in that tree.
Thank God that tree was a...
Stopped it from going. And I wonder what you could almost hike down and see if you could go down too. That's another step.
Yeah.
Whew, I am beat.
Me too.
You got the tow rope. So the tow rope, I had to put a stick through it. You put a stick through it to get a handle. So there should be a little plastic thing you could use maybe, but a stick works if you have sticks. Whew, shit, dude. Oh, we gotta keep going. So it's gonna start first kick?
Oh, fuck no.
Because the carb was upside down and now now look, you're on a cliffside trying to start it. Oh, nice! Yamaha for the win! Woo! His bike just flew down there, like, and landed down by that tree, like that one right there. Just stopped on the tree, we're lucky. Look at it. It's cliff down to freaking water, guys. Oh.
For 1 second.
Oh man, you lose concentration 1 second, you fall down there.
Yeah.
Well, we're up and now I'm afraid of this trail. How do I even get all this? This is when you like electric start too. I'm out of energy, I got no music on. Let's just try to turn around or keep going. Gotta get in the flow now. Where's the trail go? I think we're safe now. Yeah. We're safe now. Yeah, now we have a plateau. Let me check the map. Let's take a little break here. Steep, it's really steep. I gotta get my bike right here. I gotta start in second gear and weight it. Ah, damn it. Gotta get out of here. Try again, try it. No, you gotta get the tire up higher. Up here. It's too steep. We're so close. Oh, jeez. Yeah. Okay, here he goes. What am I, the bullseye?
Oh man, something popped in my fucking elbow.
Oh, like a tree or something?
Oh.
Oh, you just pulled it?
Something while I was going up.
Like, you pulled it or did you?
Popped out right there.
Oh, shitty, but you made it, but shitty. Whew. I'm tired from walking. DirtbikeSurivorman and Travis. All right, we got an injury on the trail. Okay, drugs. Okay, what do we got? Advil. Okay, now aspirin. Oh, there's, you want the naproxen, the blue ones. Take 2 of those blue ones. And take a Tylenol with the mix. Whew.
I want to see what it looks like.
You gonna pull this?
No, once we're out of here.
Okay, because what's the point of scaring yourself?
Right, yeah.
All right. So the trail's right there. We ride back.
Okay, good.
It works again?
No, I mean like good. Like I can get out. Like the trail's right there. If we were having to do more hill climbs and shit, like when I was pulling on it, it just popped with.
Let me check the map here just to verify.
Oh, that's it for sure.
Okay, we're back safe.
We're back.
Motos.
Arms dead.
Let's see this elbow. Let's see this elbow. No, side straight on. We got a photo of that. Oh, look at that. No,
a little sore.
Straight on. Yeah, let's see. Compare it. Both sides, both of them. No, straight on. Oh, look at that. Yeah, you can see it's popping. Sweet tats too. Look at all these tattoos.
Oh yeah, good. Like sucker for pain.
You look like a biker.
Fucking sucker for pain. You know?
All right, and then we'll measure my sag on my rear shock. We're ready to go. Anyways, guys, dirt biking on a Thursday. Travis falling off like a little cliff here.
Fun time.
Down to the river almost. Peace.
Yeah.
You gotta be kidding me. What the hell? Ah!